In this video, I'm going to show you how to import your project from After Effects to Premiere Pro. So we're going to start by opening up our project in After Effects. Then you need to come down to the layers and make sure you have all of these selected like so. Once you've selected all of your layers, click on Layer in the top navigation and then click on Pre-Compose. Go and give this a name and then press OK. Now click on File in the top navigation and press Save As. Click on Save As and then go and select a folder to save this After Effects project. Give your project a name and click on Save. Now you can open up Adobe Premiere Pro. Once you're inside of Premiere Pro, go and create a new project. Once you have a new project, go and locate the Adobe After Effects file that we just saved. Once you've located your After Effects file, drag it into your Adobe Premiere Pro project in the left-hand side. Now go and select your composition that we just saved from the list and press OK. Now finally, you can just drag your composition over to the timeline, and it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.